Do you use road salts, de-icers, and salt sprays to prevent and get rid of ice on your driveway and sidewalks? Have you noticed your concrete and masonry deteriorating over time? Don't waste your money on expensive concrete repairs. Use Rainguard Water Sealer's Salt Guard to protect your home and your wallet. Road salts and de-icers can get into the concrete and masonry of your home, causing scaling and corrosion. As the salt gets rid of the snow on your walkways and driveway, the snow melts and is then absorbed into the surface where it refreezes, expands in the surface, and causes unsightly cracks and spalling. This is called freeze-thaw damage. Salt Guard stops the salts and melted snow from absorbing into the concrete and masonry and protects your home from costly repairs. Rainguard Water Sealer's Salt Guard is trusted by homeowners and professionals across the country for its easy-to-use, eco-friendly formula and affordable cost. Some other companies are going to overcharge you, but why pay more? Rainguard Water Sealers offers concentrated sealers at a low cost with less waste, smaller packaging, and faster, less expensive shipping. All you have to do is add your own clean water. Salt Guard will help you save thousands on the maintenance of your home, so don't wait. Seal and protect against salts and snow this winter by heading to rainguard.com today.